the snowfall has got a lot faster now, and that's why I need to bring my goggles. I was not able to see. So it is first wind blowing, and it is cold as hell right now. This is cold as hell. And guys, it's 7 in the evening, and you see the volume of snow which has accumulated on the tents due to this snowfall that is happening continuously. It is just 7. The snowfall started around 5 maybe. There was huge snowfall yesterday night. I think it started around 5. It started once before, but it stopped. Then it started around 5, and the snow just felt like anything. The support staffs were shaking the tents vigorously so that we don't get buried under the snow. We were shaking the tents from inside as well. Even after all those efforts, in the morning when I was getting out, I had to shake it a lot, even to open the chains, even to open the door of the tent. We are sort of completely buried under the snow. Cousins shaking this tent to get out. This is the same way we shook our tents the whole night. Support staff shook our tents from the outside the whole night. So guys, we'll be starting our journey soon. It's almost 8, close to 8. We have taken packed lunch today. A type of khichdi, I'm not sure. So it's quite cloudy. There is a high chance of snowfall, and I'm sure on the way we will have plenty of snow, if not snowfall.
Brahmatal, somewhere else.
So guys, we have started our journey towards Lohajang. It's a 9-kilometer distance.
Otherwise, your
See the low visibility here,
home members will say,
and the snow.
and next time they will not allow to.
Snow is falling quite heavily now. The visibility is so
Abhi aayega
less.
helicopter.
Suddenly, I'll be bringing transparent glasses. Just to avoid this situation. See mules coming from the other way. सामने जा रहा है. So one person is being rescued by a horse. He's not able to walk. I don't think he's of our group. He's of another group. He's being rescued by a horse. So this happens quite often here. Due to some reason or the other, health reasons, person needs to be rescued, sometimes by a horse, sometimes by a helicopter. So we're having high level of snowfall right now. Lots of snowfall, and we are just given our gaiters because of this excess snow that we have in front of us. You see, someone has been rescued by a horse with guides of another group, I believe. Snow is directly coming into the eyes, dude. Snow getting into mouth and eyes. Can't see anything. Oh my goodness. Shit. Oh, shit.